In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install AnyDesk on your laptop. First of all, open any internet browser and then search AnyDesk. Go to anydesk.com. At the top right corner, here is download option. Click on that. Here as you see, you can use AnyDesk on all the operating system, Windows, Mac OS, Android and iOS. As I am currently using Windows operating system, that's why I'm going to download Windows AnyDesk software. Click on download now. Download will be automatically start. Once download done, click on the file. Here as you see install AnyDesk. Click on install AnyDesk on this device. Uncheck this box install AnyDesk printer. Then click on accept and install. Successfully AnyDesk install done. To use AnyDesk, click on new session. This is your address. If you give this address to someone else, they can access your system. And if you want to access other system, then enter their address over here. That is how you can download and install AnyDesk on your computer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video.